This is the second video clip in our series on finding E3 instruction. In this clip, we demonstrate how to teach component skills.
There are two characteristics of a good business opportunity. First, there must be enough people with an unsatisfied need or want. And second, it must have the potential to make a profit. Here is a beginning checklist for how to recognize a complete business opportunity statement. Is there an unsatisfied need or want? Are there enough people with this unsatisfied need or want? Are there enough of these people with this unsatisfied need or want who are willing to pay for a solution and pay enough so that the business can make a profit? Are the people who are willing to pay for a product or service able to pay? Entrepreneurs are not wild risk takers. In fact, they do all they can to reduce as many risks as possible. That is why you need to make sure that your opportunity is a real opportunity. With each item, what is the evidence that this is a potentially successful business opportunity? Where did the information come from? How do we know it is true or accurate? Here is a statement of business opportunity. Click on each paragraph to see how each part of the statement relates to the business opportunity checklist. Congratulations! You have now learned a little on how to identify a good business opportunity.
The course now presents a second example and reviews the defining characteristics and asks the students to recognize those characteristics in this new example.
A good business opportunity is the foundation on which any successful business is built. You have already seen this beginning checklist on how to recognize a complete statement of a business opportunity. This statement will help you to determine whether you have a good business opportunity. In this lesson, we will add one more item to the checklist. When researching a business idea, you will need to know if potential customers are able to pay for the product or service. Many people are willing to pay, but they may not have the financial resources to pay. The checklist can be summarized or combined into one question that you will need to ask yourself. Are there enough people who need or want a product and will buy it for my business to be profitable? Look at this new business opportunity statement and decide if Sigi and Sokto followed the business opportunity checklist and determine how complete their answers are. Now read the statement. Is this a complete business opportunity statement?
In this third example, the course adds the steps necessary for producing a business opportunity in a business plan. This is in addition to the component skill. They also ask the students to identify the defining characteristics in this new artifact as well.
You learned in the first two lessons about general sources of good opportunities. Problems to solve and changes in technology and society are usually good sources of business opportunities. There are several places or ways people could identify these problems and changes. You could identify these opportunities by talking to your family and friends, by reading newspapers and magazines, or watching the news on TV. However, most entrepreneurs admit that they recognized opportunities through their previous work experiences. Over half of successful businesses are started from ideas based on previous jobs and skills obtained through those experiences. Look at this new business opportunity statement that was identified through a previous job and determine how complete it is. Here is a statement of business opportunity. Decide whether you think it is a complete business opportunity statement or not. Devin decided to do more research for his business opportunity. Compare his old statements to his new statement. What makes statement 2 more complete than statement 1?
These short clips from the Entrepreneur course demonstrate the teaching of component skills. There were 3 examples used. In each example, the defining properties were identified, and the students were asked they were either shown these defining properties or asked to identify them. Also, the ordering properties were identified. And finally, in the third example, students were given a set of steps for finding a business opportunity. Thank you for participating in this series.